Okay, boys, a big B.
Stuff.
Yeah, today we are gonna have another radio video. This time I think this is the last one. It's now 9:04.
Yeah, the third one's the... You thought the third one's gonna be the last one.
Because I found something. Headphones.
Oh.
And I grabbed one. Which I'm gonna bring it back. So, we'll go for it now. Look, save. How's that?
It actually works. Yeah. Yeah, it works.
Yeah. This is the first time ever. Yeah. Look, you see that? DC 3 volts. What? What does that mean? Oh. It's 150 watts. Yeah, we were filming after that. Yeah. Okay, yeah, this is a small radio. And, okay, bye.
Bye.
Take that back now.